Hello students, in previous YouTube link I had explained you this poem. What you have to do is you have to write this poem in your CW book. Now come to the next side, page number 47. In today's video we will be completing our comprehension side. Okay, let's start. Come to the next page, page number 47, comprehension part. Read the questions and tick the correct answer. क्या करना है आपको? करेक्ट आंसर को टिक मार्क. Read behind me. If the poet was a butterfly, what would the poet be thankful for? Now what is the question? If the poet was a butterfly, अगर poet butterfly होता so वो किस चीज़ के लिए thankful होता, किस चीज़ के लिए thank you बोलता? For the wings or for the eyes? For the wings. W-I-N-G-S, wings. Correct answer is wings. Put tick mark. Next, what can a Maina do? What can Maina do? She can dance or sing? She can sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Correct answer is sing. Put tick mark. If the poet was an elephant, what would the poet be thankful for? अगर poet elephant होता, he would be thankful for being able to hop to the moon or being able to raise the trunk. Tell me, hop के लिए, hopping के लिए thankful or for raising up the trunk? What is the correct answer? Number 2, being able to raise the trunk. Put tick mark on the second option. Next is, if the poet was a fish, what would the poet be thankful for? Being able to wriggle and giggle with glee or being able to hop to the moon? Fish can wriggle and giggle. So the correct answer is number 1. Being able to wriggle and giggle with glee. Put tick mark on number 1. Okay. How many arms does an octopus have? How many arms does an octopus have? 6 or 8? Correct answer is 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Put the tick mark to the second one. Do you really think the poet wants to be any of these creatures? Yes or no? Poet wants to be any of these creatures? No, she does not want. She is happy being her itself. है कि नहीं? She is happy for being me. So the correct answer is no. Come to the next. If you could be an animal, which animal would you like to be and why? Stick or draw a picture of the animal in the box. Now what it is said, अगर आपको कोई animal बनना है, if you want to be an animal, which animal would you choose? Now if I want to be an animal, I would choose for the butterfly. Okay, मुझे butterfly बनना है. Why? Because butterfly have beautiful wings. So my answer is because butterfly have beautiful wings. Okay, so what I will do, I will draw a picture of a butterfly here. If you want to be someone else, अगर आपको कोई और एनिमल पसंद है तो आप उसका फोटो स्टिक करो या फिर ड्रॉ कर दो and write the reason here. Okay, now come to the next. Turn your page. Next page, page number 48. What you have? The vocabulary part. Let's see what we have. Animal movements. Now, students, we can see in the poem, fish can wriggle and kangaroos can hop. Yes, ये दो words हमने देखे थे. Fish के लिए wriggle and kangaroos के लिए hop. Now, fish live in water and use their fins to wriggle and move. It means for making movement, fish can use her fins for moving around the sea. So the word used is wriggle. Now kangaroos have strong hinge legs and that help them to hop around. कंगारू को हॉप करने के लिए क्या है? इसके लिए legs है. So kangaroos can hop. This poem tell us that animals move in different ways. Yes, fish अलग movement करती है, kangaroos अलग movement करती है. Fish can wriggle, kangaroos can hop. So today we are going to learn about some more animal movement. Now see here, let's complete our page 48. Select the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. Okay, हम बॉक्स में से सेलेक्ट करेंगे करेक्ट एनिमल मूवमेंट एंड वी विल राइट इट हियर इन द ब्लैंक्स. नंबर 1 इज डांसेस, flutters, gallops, dives, swings, slitters. Now tell me, a butterfly dashed around with his wings. Butterfly क्या करती है? Flutters. Movement of butterfly. Butterfly की movement को word is flutters. So write F-L-U-T-T-E-R-S. Butterfly flutters. A horse dashed across the fields. Now tell me, what is the movement of the horse? Gallops. G-A-L-L-O-P-S. Gallops. A horse gallops across the fields. The snake. Look at the snake. What snake do? What he do? He slitters. Snake की movement क्या है? Slitters. The snake slitters. S-L-I-T-H-E-R-S. Slitters over the grass. A monkey, what do monkey do? Swings. A monkey swings. S-W-I-N-G-S. Swings from one tree to another. Peacock, a peacock dances. A peacock, D-A-N-C-E-S, dances when it sees dark clouds in the sky. Next, a dolphin dives in the ocean. Dives. D-I-V-E-S, dives. Now students, what we have learned today? Different animal movements. Fish wriggle, kangaroos hop, butterfly flutters, horse gallops, snake slitters, monkey swings, peacock dances and dolphin dives. Okay, so here we are ending up with the comprehension and vocabulary part of our poem. Okay, complete page number 47 and 48 of your workbook. Bye bye.